with the public sector, the public services. And there was a very alarming juxtaposition, wasn't there? Our armed services and the emergency services. Well, actually, the armed services are covering for the emergency services which are on strike. And you again have really uncomfortable echoes now. You have the Royal College of Nursing going on strike, a body that was founded, that receives royal patronage specifically because it elevates the idea of nursing not as a job, but as a profession, a vocation, and a calling. So what we've got here is a monarch, I think, who hasn't quite got his political bearings, whether he ever will is another matter, who needs advice and needs reminding that it was a genuine moment of crisis. You mentioned 1932.